Hello my dear friends, welcome to Gem Academy. Now let us start MCQ questions on social sciences. Specially I have chosen modern history for this. In this you will get very important questions. These are the most expected questions you will get in the exam. So please watch these videos again and again to remember these things for a longer time. Let us start with the first question. The revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat Society was founded in 1904 by whom? So Abhinav Bharat is founded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Please remember, this is very important question. Let us go to the next question. The first satyagraha started with Champaran was against the cultivation of. So Gandhiji has started his first satyagraha in the Champaran. So that Champaran was against the indigo cultivators. So now let us go to the third question. In which year Quit India movement started? This is super important question because this has played very important role in getting the freedom for India. So in 1942 the Quit India movement has started. Let us go to the next question. In which year Portuguese settlements including Goa were mixed with the Union of India? In 1961 Portuguese settlements, also Goa has merged with India. Now let us go to the fifth question. Name the revolution that started with the breaking of salt satyagraha. So salt act started by the Gandhiji, and this is the revolution started after the salt satyagraha was civil disobedience movement. So when Gandhiji entered into the Dandi from the Sabarmati ashram, he has called for a civil disobedience movement. You should know these are very important. Now we'll go to the sixth question. Name of the country where Azad Hind Army was formed. So in Singapore, Azad Hind Army was formed. Please remember this, very important. Now let us go to the seventh question, which is name of the session place of Congress where complete Swaraj was passed. This is also one of the most important because the complete Swaraj concept was discussed in the Lahore session. Very important. During which viceroy Simon Commission came to India? So it is very important. Lord Irwin was the viceroy when Simon Commission was came to India. Now let us go to the ninth question. In which year Gandhi Irwin settlement took place? So Gandhi Irwin settlement took place in 5th March 1931. Now let us go to the 10th question. Name of the person that started the Home Rule Revolution in 1916. So Annie Besant. So she is very important figure in our Indian history because she has started Home Rule Revolution in 1916 and her revolution was concised with the full of our India, and she is the first woman president of Indian National Congress. So please remember important things about Annie Besant. Now let us go to the next question. When did Indian National Congress has formed? This is also one of the most important date in the Indian history, that is 16th August 1885. 16th August 1885. 12th question. Who gave drain theory? Very important. Dadabhai Naoroji has gave drain theory. 13th question. Who started Dandi March? Gandhiji has started Dandi March. 14th question. In which round table conference Gandhi has participated? It is also very important. Gandhiji has attended only second round table conference. Gandhiji has refused to attend first round table conference. He has attended second round table conference and he refused again to attend third round table conferences. So please remember, this second round table conference was very important. Along with the Gandhiji, Sarojini Naidu was also participated. This is also very important. Now let us go to the 15th question. Who shot dead more than 1,000 people in Jallianwala Bagh massacre? So General Dyer was the person who shot dead more than 1,000 people in Jallianwala Bagh massacre. This was one of the saddest moment of our Indian history. Now let us go to the 16th question. Which revolutionary organization was established in England? Very important. So that is Draeger as well as Lotus. So Draeger and Lotus were established in the England. Now let us go to the 17th question. What was the location of Sabarmati Ashram established by Gandhiji? So Ahmedabad was the location where Gandhiji has established Sabarmati Ashram. Now let us go to the 18th question. Which governor general was responsible for division of Bengal? This is also very, very important. Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon has divided the Bengal. Very important. Now let us go to the 19th question. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Very, very important. Allen Octavian Hume. He is also called as A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume. So very important. A.O. Hume has founded Indian National Congress. He was a retired civil servant. Very important. Now let us go to 20th question. Who coined the name the 1857 revolt as the first independence war? So Savarkar has said 1857 revolt as a first independence war. Now let us go to the 21st question. When did Ahmedabad mill strike has launched by Gandhiji? In 1918, Ahmedabad mill strike was launched by Gandhiji. Now let us go to 22nd question. When did Rowlatt Act was passed? So this is also very important, because Rowlatt Act, inside the Rowlatt Act, British people have passed very bad law. So inside this law, no one can go to the court if any authority arrests some person on the basis of sedition or on the basis of doubt. So then that person could not be sentenced in front of judge. So that was the this act was also called as Black Act. So in the sequel of this Rowlatt Act, General Dyer has shot around 1000 people in our India. So this is also very, very important. So in 18th March 1919, so Rowlatt Act was passed. Let us go to 23rd question. Who established Swaraj Army or Swaraj Party? It is not army, Swaraj Party. So Swaraj Party was established by Motilal Nehru. Please remember, this is very important. So inside the Indian National Congress, there was a division between the people. So some people were favoring for moderatism, but some people were against them. So Swaraj Party was established by Motilal Nehru. Next, 24th question. Where was the first roundtable conference held? So in London. Very, very, very important. So in London, the first roundtable conference has held. Now 25th question is, who was called as Kesare-Hind? So this was the title given to the Gandhiji. So this title Gandhiji has renounced, or he has given his title to the British people because of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. And also Rabindranath Tagore has renounced his knighthood. So Rabindranath Tagore has got knighthood. Gandhiji has got Kesare-Hind, and this Kesare-Hind title Gandhiji has returned to the British when they have killed more than 1000 people of India. Next, when did Muslim League was formed? This is also very important. In 1906, Muslim League was formed. So now let us go to the 27th question. Which among the following was not economic cause of a revolt of 1857? So increasing the availability of market of the Indian cotton. So this was the main reason, economic cause of the revolt. Now let us go to the 28th question. Who among the following is not true about the revolt? Is not true about the revolt. So the revolt was marred by communal riots. So it was not a, they are asking not true. So it was not a communal riot. So please remember, it was not a communal riot. Now let us go to 30th question. So why did the revolt of India, why did the revolt of 1857 fail? Because it was not joined by certain group of people. So educated people and princes have not joined the revolt. Therefore, the 1857 revolt was failed, and one more reason is modern educated Indians look at it as a backward looking. So some people have not joined with our Indian people because they were little bit educated and they were having some agreements with the British people. Therefore, they have not attended the 1857 revolt. Now let us go to 31st question. Who drew line between India and Pakistan? This is also very important and very famous line, that is called as Serial Radcliffe. So Serial Radcliffe is a line between India and Pakistan. During partition of India and Pakistan, there was a line drawn by Serial Radcliffe. So still also we call that line as a Radcliffe line. So very important. Now let us go to 32nd question. Which among the following was the only session of Indian National Congress that was presided by Mahatma Gandhi? See, in our history, Gandhiji has presided, or Gandhiji was president of only one National Congress. So we should be proud that that Indian National Congress session was held in Belgaum, Karnataka. So that session was in Karnataka, especially in Belgaum. So Gandhiji was the president of that session. So now let us go to 33rd question. Who among the following founded Theosophical Society in USA? This is also very, very important. Annie Besant. Annie Besant has founded Theosophical Society. A.O. Hume has founded Indian National Congress. Very important. Now let us go to 34th question. What the foundations of Gandhi and principle? So Gandhiji's main foundation was ethical values. So Gandhiji was very much, trusted in the ethical values. Now let us go to 35th question. Who was the first president of All India Muslim League? So first president of All India Muslim League was Aga Khan. Aga Khan, very important. Now let us go to 36th question. Who was Kasturbai? We people know that Kasturbai was the Gandhiji's wife. So don't confuse with his mother and his sister. So Kasturbai was his wife. Now let us go to 37th question. The British government police arrested Gandhiji for the first time at Ahmedabad. Gandhiji was arrested by the British people. Now let us go to 38th question. Mahatma Gandhi detained on being arrested for Quit India movement. So where? So we have to tell the location of the Gandhiji's detention. So that is Aga Khan Palace. So Gandhiji was kept inside the Aga Khan Palace during the Quit India movement, which has started in 1942. Now let us go to 39th question. So the essential condition of Satyagraha led by Mahatma Gandhi was, so it was non-violence. So main Gandhiji's concept was non-violence. He was very much opposed to the violent means to get this freedom. So now let us go to 40th question. During which of the following movements Vande Mataram became the theme song of Indian national movement? So during Swadeshi movement, Vande Mataram was the main song when the people where the people have started singing during the national movement. So please remember this. So Young Bengal movement was started by, who has started Young Bengal movement? That is Henry Vivian Derozio. Henry Vivian Derozio, that is H.V. Derozio. Let us go to 42nd question. Who among the following was not associated with the Prarthana Samaj? So we have to find out not associated with. So Atmaram Pandurang was associated with the Prarthana Samaj, and Bhandarkar also attached with the this Prarthana Samaj, and M.G. Ranade was also attached with the Prarthana Samaj, but not Devendranath Tagore. So answer is Devendranath Tagore. So which of the following had presided over the Surat session of Indian National Congress? This is very important. Ras Bihari Bose has presided the Surat session of Indian National Congress. Let us go to 44th question. Which part of India was silent when revolt of 1857 was spreading in India? Please remember, so 1857 revolt was completely coincided with the northern part of our India, because there were no communication facilities to reach the revolt to the southern states of our India. Especially South Indian people were unaware of this 1857 revolt. Now let us go to 45th question. Who was the leader of Kanpur spear heading revolt of 1857? So Kanpur was headed by Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib was the main leader who was heading in the Kanpur. Now let us go to 46th question. The first major attempt to draw Indian constitution by Indian was done under the leadership of, this is very, very important. So British people have challenged our Indians, if you have capacity to formulate your constitution, then you can tell us. So then the Motilal Nehru, who was a very brave man, has took that responsibility and has drafted very beautiful constitution. Now let us go to 47th question. 47th question is, the capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in 1912. Please remember, in 1912, that Calcutta, from Calcutta to Delhi, the capital of India was shifted. Now let us go to 48th question. Who was also called as Frontier Gandhi? This is the most important question, I could say. Khan Bahadur Khan. Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan, not Khan Bahadur Khan, sorry. So Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan was the Frontier Gandhi. So he was also called as Red Shirt. So he was very famous for Red Shirt movement. So the Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was also called as Frontier Gandhi. Now let us go to 49th question. A novel and remarkable feature of the civil disobedience movement was widespread partition of women. So you have to remember that in the civil disobedience movement, women have participated in larger number. So this was very, very important factor in getting the freedom for India. Now let us go to 50th question. Ramsay MacDonald Communal Award gave separate electorate for the depressed classes. So this communal award was specially to divide India into the many, many parts on the basis of religion. So, but Gandhiji has opposed this, and also MacDonald Communal Award was completely related to the separate clauses for the depressed classes. So this was all about the today's class. We have discussed around 50 questions in very, very short time. So please watch these videos again and again so that you will remember this concept for a longer and longer time.